Hello everyone and welcome to my unboxing for SHINee's new single, Your Number. And this is the regular edition. I have the limited edition, it's just still shipping and I didn't feel like waiting to compare them like I usually do. So I'm just gonna do this one and I'll wait for the other one. Mine did come with a photo card. I've watched some unboxings and some did, some didn't. I got mine from eBay. There's one unboxer, she bought like 4 and not one came with a photo card or something like that. So yeah, mine did. I'm actually happy for that. So that's the front, the side, and this is the back. And it has 2 songs and 1 instrumental. I do not count instrumentals as songs, so. And then I have the little strip. Little strips. I keep those. Oh. This is the CD. Nothing in the back. Ooh, focus, focus, focus. There you go. They've done a lot of Japanese releases. I mean, I guess they are taking a break, but I mean from Korean releases, but still, you know, it's nice to know that I have a little bit of SHINee still, you know. Look at key. And then the lyrics, and then the credits in the back. This isn't a long unboxing, but okay. Here's the strip, and then put that in there. So for the photo card, I have Taemin. Got Taemin's photo card. So, thank you guys for watching. I fully appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter. I do not have anything on eBay yet, so yeah. I'll make probably a video of the things that I'm selling, albums and photo cards. I am selling photo cards as well, so I'll make a video on that pretty soon. I still got to get a whole bunch of stuff in to make sure I know what I'm trying to. So, or probably give away. Wink, wink, something. Oh God. Anyway, so until next time, bye.